Hi friends, today I am going to discuss company law. In that membership register unwritten chapter. Okay, let's move on into the chapter. First see the member. In relation to company, member means a subscriber. Okay, a subscriber who has signed on the MOA and whose name is entered into register of members after registration of company. Okay, and see every other person who agreed in writing to become member and whose name is entered. Okay, every person who holds shares in demat form and whose name is entered in records of beneficial owner. Okay, and see the next differences between member and shareholder. See first definition. Member, there is a definition as per section 2 subsection 56. Okay, and shareholder, no legal definition. Okay, and the next one, meaning, person whose name is entered in register of members, that is records of beneficial owner. Okay, and shareholder meaning who owners share. Okay, who owner of share. Okay, and the next one, compulsory option. Every company must have few members as per section 3 subsection 1. Okay, and shareholder, only a company having will have shareholder. Okay, and the next one, rights. Generally member has more right in comparison to shareholder. Okay, shareholder less right. Okay, these all are the differences between member and shareholder. Okay, and so the next, who can't become member of a company? See in this first one, minor. As a general rule, minor can't become a member of a company due to incapacity to enter into contract. Okay, if company mistakenly allots shares to minor, then company can repudiate such allotment. Okay, can remove the name of such minor. Okay, and the next one, shall return all monies received from the minor if his name is removed from register of members as per MCA certificate. Okay, if company allows the minor, the name of minor, allows the name of minor to continue into register of members, then neither the name of minor nor his guardian's name will be entered into list of contributories at the time of winding up of the company, as decided in the case of Palaniap versus Pasupati Bank Limited. Okay, if company allows the name of minor to continue into register of member, then neither the name of minor nor his guardian's name will be entered into list of contributories at the time of winding up of the company, as decided in the case of. Okay, a minor can become a member by way of transfer of fully paid shares, as decided in the case of Devan Singh versus Minerva Films Limited. Okay, and see the next one, company. Okay, a company can become member of another company if it is so authorized by its MOA in object clause. Okay, and there is an exception for this. A company can't become its own member. Okay, own member. And the next one, a subsidiary company can't become member of his holding company. Okay, subsidiary company can't become member of its holding company. And see the next one, firm, partnership. Since partnership firm does not have separate personality. So it can't become member of a company except a company licensed under section 8. Okay? Under section 8 of the Companies Act. And the last one, insolvent. A person who is a member of a company remains member till his name appears into register of members. Okay? However, the ownership of shares vests into official assignee or official receiver. The company shall also give notice of general meeting to assignee or receiver, but voting rights remain with insolvent member. Okay? These 4 persons, minor, company, firm, insolvent, can't become member of a company. There are some exceptions. Okay? And see the next modes of acquisition of membership. And see, a person can become member of a company by signing to the MOA, okay, by agreeing in writing, and by transfer and transmission, and by estoppel or by familiarity, okay, as per section 95. Okay, if a person knowingly permits his name to enter into register of members, okay, then he will not be allowed to deny the fact that he is not member of such company. Okay, and so the next one, maintenance of various types of registers. See, every company shall maintain registers. Register of member for each class of shareholders, okay, and the register of debenture holder for each class of debenture in form MGT 2, okay, and register of other securities holder in MGT 2, okay. Every company shall maintain these registers, okay. And see the next, register of index or index register. Index means a table which lists all the name into alphabetical manner, okay, all the names into alphabetic manner, okay. Every company having 50 or more member must have index register which facilitate in tracking of the name of member, okay. The company shall make necessary entries in the index simultaneously with the entry of any security into register of members, okay. And see the next one, foreign register of members as per section 88 subsection 3. This is section 88 subsection 2, okay. And here every company having foreign member or foreign debenture holders may maintain as additional register known as foreign register at any place outside India, but conditions, authority in AOA, intimation to ROC within 30 days in form MGT 3, okay. And see the next one, register owner. Register owner means a person whose name is entered into register of members as an owner of shares, okay. And see the next one, beneficial owner. It means a person having interest in the share of company, okay, interest. And see the next, duty of register owner. Every person who is just register owner but not beneficial owner shall disclose name, okay, other particulars of beneficial owner, okay. This declaration shall be made within 30 days in MGT 4, okay, from the date when his name is entered into register of members to the company, okay. And see the next, duties of beneficial owner. Every person who is just beneficial owner but not register owner shall disclose the name of other particulars of register owner, okay, within 30 days from the date of acquiring beneficial interest in MGT 5, okay. And see the next, duty of company to note down declaration into relevant register and to file the declaration to ROC within 30 days in MGT 6. Okay. And so the next, investigation of beneficial owner of shares. Investigation of beneficial owner of shares as per section 90. The central government may appoint competent persons to investigate into the beneficial ownership of shares or class of shares. Okay. And see the next one, annual return. And see here, annual return means yearly report filed by company to ROC. Okay, company to ROC. It contains all financial and non-financial information. Okay, containing a summary of all financial as well as non-financial information. Generally, through annual report, the ROC updates its records or registers. Okay, updates its records or registers. And see the next one, time limit for filing annual return within 60 days from the date of AGM if it is held. Okay, if AGM not held, then within 60 days from the last date on which AGM ought to be held. Okay, and see contents of annual return. Contents of annual return. And see particulars or details of register office and particulars of business activities, that is sector or object of the company. And the next one, particulars of its having subsidiary and associate. Okay, and see it shares, debentures and other securities and shareholding pattern. Okay, changes in members and debenture holders and particulars of promoters, directors, key managerial person and changes therein. Okay, remuneration of directors and key managerial person, etc. Okay, penalty or punishment imposed on the company and status of any compounding or appeal filed against such a penalty and any other matters. Okay, these all are the contents of annual return. Okay, and see signing of annual return. Signing, one director plus one company secretary if employed in company, or one practicing company secretary if company has not employed company secretary. Okay, for one person company, small company, private company, if there is no company secretary as employee, annual return will be signed by director of the company. Okay, and see the next one, meaning of closure of register of members. Closure, it means right of company to legally refuse to update its ROM due to transfer or transmission of shares. Generally, a company closes its ROM due to fix name of members to whom notice of general meeting. To fix names of members to whom notice of general meeting. Okay, and to fix names of members to whom dividend, bonus shares, etc. will be given. Okay, and see conditions for closure of register of member. Advance notice at least 7 days before the closure of register of members. Okay, and dual language, English plus vernacular language. Okay, of the district in which register office is situated. And time, maximum at a time maximum 30 days. Over the year, maximum 45 days. And see the next one, registers and returns, location inspection, etc. Okay. Register and return, location inspection, etc. as per section 94. And see applicability of section 94. Register of member and index of member, annual return as per section 92. Okay. And see the next, place of keeping. Generally at the register office. Okay. And see the exception. Can be kept at any place in India, at any place. But there are 3 conditions. And see, more than 10% of total member of company reside at that place. Okay. And the next one, special resolution has been passed to approve the new place. Okay. And the next one, a copy of special resolution shall be filed to ROC at least 1 day before the date of general meeting. Okay. And see the next one, inspection of registers and return. See, member, debenture holder, beneficial owner can check register or return at any time during the business hours without any charge. Okay. And see, any other person can also inspect register or return by paying fees not exceeding 50 per inspection. Okay. And see, any member, debenture holder, beneficial owner or other security holder can take extract of register of member, okay, free of cost. Any member, debenture holder, beneficial owner or other security holder can take extract of register of member, etc. free of cost. Okay. And copy of chargeable. Any member, etc. can take copies of register of member, return, etc. by paying fee 10 per charge maximum. The company shall forward the copy of register or return within a period of 7 days from the date of fees. Okay. Okay friends, membership, register and return is over. If you have any doubt, then comment me. Okay friends, do well, prepare well, all the best. Bye bye.